everyone, today I will show you how to upgrade the RAM on an HP laptop. All you need is a screwdriver and a flexible plastic card. Start by removing the 4 visible screws at the bottom of the laptop. What most don't know is that there are hidden screws under the rubber soles on each corner of the laptop. Carefully lift the outermost flap of the rubber soles and remove the hidden screws. Next, you should be able to slide out the disk drive and then keep it aside. After which, we need to carefully remove the battery by switching the locks to the unlock position and then carefully sliding the battery out. There are 2 more screws that need to be removed. Next, slowly turn the laptop around and prepare your plastic card or an old credit card. We will need this to carefully open the flaps by sliding the card all around the corners. Once done, turn the laptop around and you should be able to remove the cover. Over here is where you will insert the RAM for the upgrade, and this is the hard disk, which we will discuss on another tutorial on how you can get it upgraded. I am adding an additional 8 GB of RAM to my laptop today. Be sure to check what RAM is compatible for your particular equipment. Carefully remove the RAM from its packaging and insert it into the slot as shown. Use the locks on each side of the slot to secure the RAM in its place. Once that is secured, we can go ahead and close the cover of the laptop. Carefully pinch the top and bottom portions until you hear clicks. And finally, we need to return the screws in the reverse order that we removed them earlier.